Viva Goals shutting down December 2025. This means organizations using Viva Goals have less than a year to not only find another Microsoft-based OKR solution, but also export their existing OKRs from Viva Goals and transport them. That might be an intimidating prospect, but don't worry. In this video, I will show you how you can export your goals and OKRs from Viva Goals as an Excel spreadsheet, and how you can transport them to your next OKR software. But before we get started, if you're switching from Viva Goals and if you want to stay in the Microsoft ecosystem, the highest rated OKR software in the Microsoft Teams App Store, Teamflect is now offering a 25% discount to any organization coming in from Viva Goals. No questions asked. And Teamflect is offering free migration assistance, so you don't have to bother with any of this. You can learn more or schedule a demo by clicking the link in the description. Now, back to the tutorial. So here we are inside Microsoft Teams and we're heading into Viva Goals. And right here, we're gonna just head over to Explorer and all my objectives so we can see all of our OKRs in one place. And look, I'm expanding it and there are my key results. So to export these goals and OKRs, I need to head over to the top right corner and click the export icon. And once I do that, I have two options. I can export as a PowerPoint or an Excel. So I'll click Excel. And then I need to select format, CSV or XLSX. So we'll keep it as an Excel spreadsheet. And we can select which fields we want to include while we're exporting. But this is a key part. Make sure you're exporting the children, so the key results and the sub-goals. I'll select export tag values as separate columns. Once I do that, all I have to do is click export. This will send your exported OKRs into your inbox, and all you have to do is click the message sent to you and click download. Once you do that, this is what your exported OKRs will look like. You will have the goal creators, goal owners, its periods, and just everything related to those OKRs in this Excel spreadsheet. So what do you do with this next? So you've exported your OKRs, that's perfect. The next step is to find an OKR software that lets you upload goals and OKRs in bulk so you can just keep going. And while we've made a detailed video on this that we hope you watch after this, it is crucial that your next OKR software is still in the Microsoft ecosystem. This way your existing workflows stay the same and your team has an easy time adopting to the next tool. And like I said in the beginning of this video, Teamflect is not only the highest rated OKR software in the Microsoft Teams App Store, but it is also a complete all-in-one performance management solution. It will not only help you maintain your existing workflows in the Microsoft ecosystem, but actually enhance them. And Teamflect doesn't just let you upload your goals and OKRs as an Excel spreadsheet in bulk. If you're coming in from Viva Goals and you've been affected by the shutdown, we'll do it for you. This way you can hit the ground running and focus on what really matters: your people and your targets. And like I said, 25% discount to everyone coming in from Viva Goals. It's really worth checking out. But that about brings us to the end of this video. What did you think? How did Viva Goals shutting down affect your organization? Just let me know in the comments. Hey, we release helpful Microsoft content like this one every single week. Subscribe so you don't miss any of it. And if you want to try the highest rated OKR software in the Microsoft Teams ecosystem for absolutely free, you can always click the link in the description. Bye-bye.